Hi guys, today I will tell you how to retrieve policies from the AKU website. Let's go. Just open any browser and write down portal.aku.edu. This is a complete website of the AKU. On the top of this website you can see department, hospitals, learning and training, employee resources and communication. We have to go hospitals. When you put your cursor on the hospital, a drop down list appears. Now you have to go key documents. So just click on key documents. Search center means if you know the name of the policy, so just write down here the name. For example, I want to retrieve the policy regarding the hypertonics line. I just write down the word hypertonic. Here is a adult IV hypertonics line. Click on it. Here is a complete policy of hypertonics line. This is a one way to retrieve the policy. There is another way. On your left side there is a search by department. Here is the all department of the AKUH. You can retrieve the policy according to their service line. For example, if you want to know the policy of service line 12, just click on it. Now you can see the policy, procedure, protocol, clinical practice guideline of the service line 12. Click on it. So here are the all policies that are related to this service line. Care of patient with burn, manometry, post-operative care. Just click on it. Now again you can see the whole policy. So there are the two ways to retrieve the nursing policies.